Your Bruker instrument is an investment in the success of your operation. Leverage maximum performance and reduce unplanned downtime with Bruker Labscape Support Services. We engage with you from the beginning, even before system delivery, to ensure proper site planning for an efficient installation. Whatever your operational needs, we are here to ensure your success by providing unequaled maintenance and support with our diverse portfolio of Labscape maintenance service agreements. Ensure the highest standards of reliability and productivity in your operation by choosing the right plan to fit your needs and budget. All Labscape maintenance service agreement plans include priority response and access to remote expert assistance. When site access is limited or impossible, Bruker is prepared to help with the latest technology for remote support solutions. With augmented reality and IoT devices, we can be there to help even when we can't be there physically. Being efficient in repairs is a goal that benefits us all. Bruker field replaceable units help to make on-site repairs less complicated and more effective. This helps to minimize unplanned downtime and keeps your operation running effectively. Bruker field replaceable units eliminate the need for time-consuming repairs by swapping out defined groups of parts in one unit. Our global help desk is here to take your call during normal business hours and offers upgraded round-the-clock support 365 days a year for our 24/7 customers. The help desk is staffed with factory-trained Bruker experts that can offer remote support services to fix your problem or escalate your issue to a higher tier. With Bruker Academy, you directly benefit from up-to-date expertise to fully exploit your Bruker system's capabilities. Gain an increased understanding of your system's functionality and how to streamline your measurement process. Ensure maximum performance and throughput in your daily business. Ongoing refresher training is available to stay up to date with new hardware and software features. We have a vested interest in your success. Bruker service and Labscape maintenance service agreements are excellent ways to help you optimize productivity and minimize unplanned downtime.